Hey everyone, welcome to the quick report generation using Excel series. Today we are going to generate a certificate using Excel. Here is the certificate I have and here is the sample Excel sheet in which you need to enter or replace your information so that this report can be generated. So here you can see there is a certificate title. So this title has printed as it is over here. Whatever you enter will be printed in the certificate. Here in the school details you need to enter the certificate title, date, and here the background image you need to upload as per your choice. Now here are some total styles. You can select any of the styles by entering the number over here. Now in the student details you need to enter the text you need to print on the line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4. So here is the line 1 text, here is the line 2 text, here is the line 3 and here is the line 4 text, and the student names are over here and their class names we need to enter. Now in the signature, this certificate supports 2 signatures, so you need to enter the name of signature holder, designation and upload their digital signature so that this certificate will be generated. So head down to EduCloud to generate such certificate and feel free to contact us for further information on support@educloud.in.